How to make money with Shopify. If you're thinking of starting your own e-commerce business, you should seriously consider choosing Shopify as your platform. The growth of e-commerce has become exponential in the past few years, and the future of e-commerce is only going to get bigger. So what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create a store even when you don't have much or even no technical skills. It enables you to create an online store, customize it, and match to your branding. With Shopify, you can market your products and services. In 2019, it supported more than 500,000 online stores in over 175 countries, and the platform earned a total revenue of $1.7 billion during that year, so we can safely assume it's here to stay. So how can you make money on this platform? Here are some quick tips, but we'll go into more detail in this video. Be niche. You're more likely to attract customers when you follow a particular niche. Add value to your online store. Remember, it's not just about selling a product. If you want your customers to keep coming back to your store, you must also provide useful information, insights, or solutions to problems they might have. Sell products that are top quality. Gain the trust of your customers by making sure that all your products are of great quality. Choosing the right supplier is crucial, or if it's something you are making yourselves, make sure it's of the highest quality. Create a great looking website. Your website is the shop front of your brand. To attract more customers, it has to be user friendly. Drive traffic to your website. You won't be able to sell your products unless you drive traffic to your website. Master the art of marketing and SEO to attract as many website visitors as possible. Provide excellent customer service. Happy and satisfied customers are key to the success of any business. Make every customer's experience positive. Also, it's important that you respond to their queries as quickly as possible. So let's look at Shopify a bit closer and how you can make money. First of all, let's see how much it costs to open a Shopify store. You could start with a 14-day trial just to get going, but after that, there are a few other options. Shopify Lite plan. For only $9 a month, this plan gives you a buy button. It also allows you to sell on Facebook and accept credit card payments. This plan does not give you a real online store with a shopping cart. Instead, it is intended to add the functionality of buy buttons to an existing blog or website. A basic Shopify plan. The basic price structure of this plan is $29 a month, plus 2.9% and 30 cents per transactions. This plan gives you a fully functional blog and website through Shopify. You don't need to create specific websites since Shopify will manage all your products and orders. In addition, this basic plan allows you to upload an unlimited number of products to your store. It also comes with a fraud analysis tool, and we think by far this is the best option for someone starting off from scratch. Shopify plan. This plan is quite an upgrade from the basic Shopify plan at $79 a month, plus 2.6% and 30 cents per transactions. Aside from the features that you get with the basic plan, this plan gives you more features like access to abandoned cart recovery, professional reports, and gift cards. If you want your store to have unlimited products and unlimited storage, then this is the perfect plan for you. This plan also works best if your store earns more than $5,000 a month, since transaction fees go down as the volume of external payments gateways increases. There is also Shopify's Advanced and Shopify Plus, but we are going to assume that you are starting off, and these two plans start to get very expensive and don't really offer you any more in the early stages. So here goes with some suggestions on what you could offer. Sell your thrift or secondhand store items. Do you enjoy going to thrift or second-hand stores? Then you want to consider turning this hobby into a business opportunity. These stores hold so many unique and interesting items that you can't find in normal shops. Vintage t-shirts, old soccer jerseys and other collectible items. And you can get these great items at very affordable prices. A lot of people are always on the lookout for unique items that don't cost a fortune, but only a few are willing to do the work and hit these stores. This is where your expertise should come in. You can use Shopify to sell your thrift or second-hand store finds. Offer your freelance service. Freelancing is a great form of side hustle. You have full control of your projects and you take on while you are earning a decent amount of money. There are tons of freelance opportunities you can find online. Graphic designers, web developers, SEO specialists, writers, social media managers are just some of the in-demand roles. You can find freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, but if you really want to level up your freelancing game, then you could create a Shopify store and market your freelance services. List the services that you offer as products. You must also disable the shipping option since there is no need for you to deliver anything physically to your clients. Offering your freelance services on Shopify is also a great way to get more experience and build your portfolio. An impressive portfolio is a key to stand out amongst the thousands of freelancers in the same niche. Promote your online course. Are you an established expert in a field and looking for ways to earn more money through passive incomes? Make money with Shopify by creating your online course and selling it through this e-commerce platform. If you are confident with your knowledge, skills and expertise, you can impart this wisdom to others while making money. Choose a course topic, create a video and content walkthrough. Your online course should be not only as informative as possible, but you should also make it simple and easy to understand. If you want to monetize your thought leadership, and better still, then there are a number of Shopify apps to help you along this way. And don't forget the videos we've made all about this subject. Market your art online. If you are an artist or graphic designer who wants to promote their work to a wider target audience, then selling your art online is a great way. Shopify is one of the most common e-commerce platforms used by artists to market their works of art. This platform is also perfect for those artists who want to sell in volume. It comes with lots of features for hassle-free online selling. Additionally, Shopify makes it easier for the seller to market their art on Amazon, Instagram and Facebook. So how do you get started by selling your art online? Here are some ideas to get you started. You could do jewellery or crafts, clothing, digital designs, painting and drawings and photography. Build your dropshipping business to make money with Shopify. Marketing and inventory can require a lot of time and money. That is why many entrepreneurs prefer to use e-commerce store that uses a dropshipping business model. You don't have to carry any inventory, so you have more time to focus on marketing, more sales, growing your online store. You can start your e-commerce business by launching your Shopify dropshipping store. This is a great option if you are looking for flexibility in running your business. We've talked about dropshipping in previous videos, so go check them out. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.